am planning to hit arms and hit other warm-up exercise, which I do. And I always start with a little bit of jumping, as I mentioned in my previous video. I always make sure that, I'll be hitting, every part of my body during my warm-up, right? So I include this pulley. You can have various variant of this pulley from back, then you can hit from front, like this. Try to do 8 to 10 repetition. You don't have to be very exhaustive. For chest, you can do this with the rod. Something like this. So you hit the chest. And now, the main exercise today I'm planning to hit is arms. So I'm going to do a little bit of more exercise during the warm-up for targeting arms. So with this curling rod, you can do like this. This is the first exercise for arm. Then you can do a little bit of dumbbells. 1, so in this way, you can bring all your upper body in motion and feel a little bit of warmth in your body, right? So again, do a little bit of jumping. Since we are hitting arms, so you can do another variant of arms exercise like this one, This is the third exercise for arm. Then, rather than doing a simple dumbbell, you can do something like this. And then you are only left with the lower part of your body. So what you can do, again, you can use this machine and you can just do something like this to bring your lower part of the body in motion. And then again, you can do a little bit of jumping. By now, you will be feeling a little bit warm in your body, right? And if you want, you can do more stretching as well, something like this. But this don't have to be very exhaustive, right? Just do it a little bit, right? And again, you can go for pulley. And the main thing is, what you have to do is, you have to, keep shuffling all those exercises, right? And just do one more thing, right? Whenever you are going for the warm-up, right, as I mentioned, include, the very lightweight exercise for all the parts, but whatever the part you are targeting, right, include some more exercises, and it has to be different every day, so that your working schedule will always be interesting. It shouldn't be mundane. It's not gonna give you the bore feeling. Thanks for watching this.